Take this opportunity, of course, to acknowledge his presence here together with all the dignitaries. And of course, the great leadership by CS Amina Mohammed, who's been instrumental in ensuring that the journey to Safari Rally happens.
Side by side, once again, so much to know.
Specifically for these young juniors, and they are doing their best. Mike 15, Mike.